Hello everyone. Welcome to our instructional video on how to complete your computer/course project. Okay, I am currently on the Canvas site. When you go to the Canvas site, matriculate to the tab where it says computer project, which I have up here. Click on the tab where it says course project. Here you have an overview of the course project. To see the full course project, you would click here on the PDF file that shows you all of the information. I have that file open already. I'm going to go over to the PDF file. So with the PDF file, what you first have are financials from the year of 2022 for SMC Incorporated. There's a balance sheet, an income statement, and a post-closing trial balance. Next, you have the transactions that took place in the year of 2023. They're labeled transaction A through letter Q. You're going to review all of the business transactions that took place for this company during the year of 2023. What am I being asked to do? I'm glad you asked that question. Number one, journalize the transactions for the current year, 2023. That's letter A through Q. There is a chart of account that I'm going to show you on an Excel spreadsheet that gives you the account title to use to record your business transactions. Two, set up T accounts and enter the beginning balances from the December 31st, 2022 post-closing trial balance. So you're going to post all the current year's journal entries in the T accounts as well. So to be clear, you're going to first put in the beginning balances into those T accounts, and next you're going to then post the current year's journal entries into the appropriate T accounts. Next, journalize and post any necessary adjustment entries at the end of 2023. I gave you hints. Items B, C, D, E, O, P, and Q require an adjustment to be made at the end of the accounting period. Number four, after the adjusted entries are posted to the T accounts, prepare an adjusted trial balance, an income statement, state retained earnings, and a balance sheet for the year of 2023. The format of your statement should mirror those from 2022, which are here. Now, the word mirror doesn't mean you're going to have all the exact same account titles. It just means the format will be the same as what you see for the balance sheet, the income statement, post-closing trial balance. But again, it does not mean you're going to have the exact same account title in 2023 that you had in 2022. Okay? Next, you're going to journalize and post your closing entry for 2023 and prepare a post-closing trial balance. Number 6, compute the current ratio and debt to asset ratio for 2022 and for 2023. And finally, number 7 is an interpretive question. What is your overall assessment of the financial health of SMC Incorporated? You're going to use the word document provided to answer these questions. Okay, so now I'm going back to the Canvas site under the course project. So again, here you have the PDF file that gives you all of the course project information. Next, you have a summary of those transactions along with the instructions for the project. But at the bottom of this page, you have an Excel file that you're going to use to record your information and to submit your work. So questions 1 through 6 will be completed using the Excel template. Question number 7, which is the interpretive question, will be completed using the actual Word document. So now let me show you the Excel template. I have it up already. Here we go. When you first open up the Excel file, make sure you click here where it says Enable Editing. That will allow you to do work on the actual Excel template. The first tab has your chart of accounts. These are the account type you're going to use to record the appropriate business transactions for this project. Okay? The next tab you have are your journal entries. Use this tab to record your journal entries for the year of 2023. The next tab for your T accounts, which are already set up. So remember, first, put in the beginning balances and the appropriate T accounts from the 2022 post-closing trial balance, and you're then going to post the journal entries for the current year into the appropriate T accounts. Okay? Next, you're going to make the required adjusting entries at the end of the accounting period. There's a letter for each adjustment that you need to make at the end of the accounting period. Once you made those adjustments, go back to your T accounts and post those adjustments into the appropriate T accounts. Then determine what should be the ending balance for each of your T accounts. Once you have those balances, prepare your adjusted trial balance, prepare your income statement, your statement of retained earnings, as well as your balance sheet. So once you prepare your financial statements, you then complete the 4 steps of the closing entry process. So remember, REID, R-E-I-D, identifies the 4 steps of the closing entry process. Once you complete the closing entries, go back to your T accounts and then post the closing entries to the appropriate T accounts. Next, you're going to come back and prepare a post-closing trial balance. As a hint, you will only have permanent accounts listed on your post-closing trial balance because any account that is temporary has been closed out during the closing entry process. Next, under the ratios, compare the current ratio and the debt to total asset ratio for 2022 and for 2023. The last portion would be the analysis. Notice this says use the Word document to provide answer for the question. So here is the Word document that you're going to see under the Computer Project tab. Once again, click on Enable Editing. You're going to send a memo to the stockholders of this corporation. Your job is to provide an analysis. How well is the company performing? If they perform well, or if they perform not so good, indicate your response and use the data to support your answer. Why did they perform well? Did their net income increase? Do they have more assets? Why did they perform not so well? Do they have an increase in debt? Did they lose money? So just give a written paragraph or so. Again, give it an analysis or your assessment of this company based upon those financials. Okay? So when I go back to the Canvas site, I'm going to click here where it says to start assignment. So once you've done the actual work, you're going to upload 2 files. Upload the completed Excel template along with the Word document. And once those have been uploaded, so you click upload file, upload those files, and then click where it says submit assignment. Okay? You would check the Canvas site for the appropriate due date for your assignment. You are allowed to send me your course project for feedback. I would give you a cutoff date saying that feedback will not be provided after this cutoff date. Okay? So this assignment will test your ability to complete all 9 steps of the accounting cycle that we've covered in the previous chapters in this course. Okay? This is a fun assignment. Have fun with it. It will test your knowledge. But once again, you're allowed to email me a copy of your course project for feedback. That would be allowed up to a certain date, which I'll provide that date to you. But any questions about the course project, feel free to reach out to me. Have a great day.